Hi everybody, it's Oteen from Oteen TV, and I am making my own tomato paste from scratch today. I just bought me some tomatoes, sliced them up, put them in my Instant Pot on saute, just the tomatoes by themselves, and started cooking them. You just have to cook them, let all the water cook out, basically. Some people add different ingredients to theirs, but I just use plain tomatoes because I don't want anything else in my spaghetti if I want to make spaghetti with it. I set my Instant Pot on 6 hours. And it's starting to cook down just a little bit. It's already produced a lot of water. Basically, you just have to stir and watch it so it won't scorch or anything. And let it cook down. That's all you do, unless you want to add. Some people add red peppers. Some people add lemon juice and seasonings and everything. I just want just plain old tomato paste. So here I'm just showing you that they cook down a little bit more. It's been almost an hour now, so my Instant Pot is at 5 hours and 6 seconds. They cook down a little bit more. You see those strings in there? That's just the outside casing from it. Some people strain that out. Down a little bit more. Some people don't. Still have a whole bunch of water, but I'm just gonna let it cook till all that water cooks out. Okay, so here's how it is. It's mostly pureed, or yeah, I would call it pureed or blended up. Some people still strain it from here. I'm just gonna let the rest of the water cook out and then strain it from there maybe, because it looks like it's pretty well blended up to me. So I'll be back when I get done. Or when the water cooks, most of the water cooks out. So it'll be more like tomato paste. Okay, here I'm just gonna go ahead and strain it. Well, I don't know if you can see that the clock is on 2 hours and 37 minutes. After I use my immersion blender and blended it up, I am gonna go ahead and strain it because it's had some seeds in it. So I'm just going to strain it into this pan right here. Bowl, and then go ahead and cook it the rest of the way. So I'll be back after I get it all strained. Almost done. Got to get a little bit more water out. Here I'm just showing some ice cube trays. I believe I picked those up at Dollar Tree maybe. After all the water cooked out, you just put them in the ice cube trays, freeze them, and here's how it looks. If you like my video, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you can be notified when I post more videos. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.